Got your Samsung phone stuck at custom binary blocked by FRP or FAP lock? Don't worry, you are not alone. This issue usually occurs when you reinstall AndroidOS or modify other key internal settings on your phone and your device triggers factory reset protection, FRP, in order to prevent unauthorized access. In this video, I'll show you 3 effective ways to fix this issue, so let's get started. The easiest and most successful way to fix custom binary blocked by FRP lock error is to use DroidKit, the most powerful all-in-one Android toolkit that helps you easily bypass FRP and delete your Google account without entering a password to regain access to your Samsung device. It covers all Samsung, Xiaomi, Poco, and Oppo series. It also supports you to solve various Android device problems such as screen lock, system repair, data recovery, etc. Firstly, download and install DroidKit on your computer, then select FRP bypass on the home screen. Now connect your Samsung device to your computer, then press the Start button. Then select your device brand, and when the configuration file is ready, click Start Bypass option. Now select the matching version from the list under and select your Android system version. Now follow the on-screen prompts to complete the appropriate settings and click Reset. When finished, DroidKit will begin bypassing immediately. Here, wait for the process to complete. Once complete, your Samsung phone will reboot and the FRP lock will be successfully removed. If you remember the Google account linked to your device, you can fix the custom binary blocked by FRP lock error using your Google account. Using another device and signed into Google Find My Device, enter your Google account details. Then select your FRP locked Samsung device and click the Erase Device option in the left column. Now your custom binary blocked by FRP lock will be unlocked and all data will be erased. Generally, this is the most common fix for errors on Android phones. Long press the power on off, home, and volume up buttons at the same time and wait for a screen with numerous options to appear. Scroll down with the degree down key and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset option using the on-off button. Then go to Yes, delete all user data to confirm the reset of Samsung and wait patiently for the process to complete and the phone to reboot normally. Once the process is complete, the phone will be completely data erased. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.